Dr. Markus Rechlin is recognized as one of the leading figures in industrial leadership, known for his extensive experience in operational excellence, corporate transformation, and organizational development. Over several decades, he has held prominent executive roles within major German manufacturing companies, including CEO positions at Muehlhan AG and MAN Diesel and Turbo Schweiz AG. His academic foundation is equally impressive. Dr. Rechlin earned his doctorate in engineering from RWTH Aachen University, one of Germany's top technical institutions. This academic background provided him with the analytical and strategic skills that have guided his career in technology-driven industries. Throughout his professional journey, Dr. Rechlin has been widely respected for his ability to lead organizations through periods of transformation and challenge. His leadership philosophy centers on teamwork, transparency, and the disciplined application of lean management principles. These values have allowed him to foster sustainable growth and build organizational cultures focused on continuous improvement. Known for his calm and analytical approach, Dr. Rechlin has served as both a trusted corporate advisor and a mentor to emerging leaders in the manufacturing sector. His expertise spans shipbuilding, mechanical engineering, and coating technologies, among other fields. Industry colleagues often note his strength in balancing operational efficiency with people-centered leadership, an essential quality in times of change. In this conversation, Dr. Rechlin shares key experiences from his career, the values that guide his leadership, and his insights on the evolving industrial landscape. I began my career as a research assistant at RWTH Aachen University, focusing on engineering and project management. After completing my doctorate, I joined MAN Roland in the engineering sector. It was there that I discovered my passion for combining technical expertise with leadership responsibilities. Managing both people and processes became a natural extension of my interests, leading me to pursue executive roles that allowed me to bring both aspects together. One defining moment came when I was assigned to lead my first major restructuring project. It required making tough but necessary decisions to secure the company's future. From that experience, I learned the importance of clear communication, transparency, and empathy. Those principles have guided my leadership ever since. Another milestone was leading a team through a period of international expansion. The collaboration across diverse teams showed me how much innovation and success can result from diversity and teamwork. Integrity and respect are central to everything I do. I believe leaders must be consistent and lead by example, especially during difficult times. I also emphasize teamwork and open communication, encouraging employees to share ideas and take initiative. Listening often leads to the best solutions. Above all, I try to remain pragmatic and solution-oriented, focusing on progress rather than perfection. My time in academia taught me analytical thinking and systematic problem-solving. Research work requires patience, precision, and continuous learning, all of which are essential in management. Understanding technical details has been particularly valuable in executive roles. It helps in making well-informed decisions and earning the trust of technical teams. Transformation always involves both structural and cultural change, which makes it complex. Resistance to change is natural, so explaining the reasons behind new directions is essential. Involving employees early and maintaining open communication helps overcome barriers. Another challenge is maintaining energy and motivation over time, since transformation is not a quick process. Visible progress and consistent feedback are key to keeping everyone aligned. Remain curious and continue learning, both technically and as a manager. Find mentors who can provide honest feedback and broader perspectives. Don't fear setbacks, they often teach the most valuable lessons. Resilience is vital, as is staying true to one's principles. Leadership is not just about making decisions, it's about creating trust and enabling others to achieve their best. Leading Muehlhan AG through a successful restructuring stands out as a defining achievement. We managed to stabilize the company financially and strategically, positioning it for long-term growth. This success came from strong teamwork, consistent communication, and a shared commitment to operational excellence. What mattered most to me was not only the business recovery but also the strengthened sense of unity within the organization. Operational excellence begins with a clear vision and measurable objectives. I rely on lean management principles to identify inefficiencies and streamline processes. However, success depends on employee involvement at every level. Their insights often lead to the most practical improvements. Continuous training, open performance metrics, and regular feedback ensure that excellence becomes part of the culture rather than a temporary initiative. Staying competitive requires embracing innovation and digital transformation. Companies must invest in research and development, collaborate with external partners, and stay alert to technological trends. Pilot projects are a practical way to test new solutions before scaling them. Upskilling employees is also crucial so that teams feel confident with new systems. In today's world, agility and adaptability are as important as efficiency. Sustainability is no longer optional, it is a strategic imperative. Companies that integrate environmental responsibility into their operations not only help the planet but also gain competitive advantages. I see sustainability as a driver of innovation, from energy-efficient production methods to developing eco-friendly products. Transparency about sustainability goals and progress builds credibility with both employees and customers. The global financial crisis was one of the toughest challenges I faced. Decisions had to be made quickly, often with incomplete information. During that time, I learned that decisiveness must be balanced with empathy. Clear, honest communication was essential, even when the news was not positive. This experience reinforced my belief that informed and engaged teams can overcome even the hardest circumstances. Creating an atmosphere where people feel safe to share ideas is key. I encourage open discussion and support pilot projects to test new concepts. Recognizing efforts, even when results aren't immediate, helps sustain motivation. Cross-functional collaboration also drives innovation, as diverse perspectives lead to more creative problem-solving. Digital transformation will remain a major force, with automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics redefining operations. Sustainability will become even more central, influencing supply chains, design, and business models. Servitization, the shift toward offering services alongside products, will also create new opportunities. Future leaders must be adaptable, technologically aware, and focused on long-term sustainability. I hope to be remembered as a leader who guided companies through challenging transitions with integrity and respect. My goal has always been to combine operational excellence with ethical leadership and team development. If I can inspire future leaders to balance results with responsibility, I will consider that my greatest achievement. Dr. Markus Rechlin's career demonstrates the powerful combination of technical expertise, strategic thinking, and human-centered leadership. His insights highlight the importance of innovation, sustainability, and trust in shaping the future of industry. As manufacturing continues to evolve, his approach, grounded in ethics, collaboration, and continuous improvement, remains a valuable model for leaders navigating change in an increasingly complex world.